Hey guys, I'm Shay with Prinsco. Today we're going to be installing some split couplers on G2 pipe. Split couplers provide a secure connection between the two pipe. Before we get started talking about safety, I'm going to make sure I put my phone away so I'm not distracted. At Prinsco, we use the GOLD approach to think through safety on the job site. Today we're geared up in high-vis vest, safety toe boots, and safety glasses. In our toolbox talk, we talked about who's all on site and the details of the job, so we can all stay safe. We'll be using a knife for this cut, and we'll learn how to use it safely. We'll be working around heavy equipment today. Be sure that the operators know where you're at to stay safe. Make visual contact with the operators whenever you're approaching any equipment. Keep in mind, this is a demonstration site, but it should give you the basics for installing a coupler. Before you start, make sure the corrugations are free of debris and that the ends of the pipe have clean, straight cuts. If not, trim off a corrugation by making a cut in the center of the valley. Slide the coupler under the connection and fold it over the pipe. Cinch the zip ties tight to secure the coupler. Next, tape the connection. Depending on preference, tape only the coupler to allow the pipe to rotate inside the coupler, or continue to tape onto the pipe for a more solid connection. Either way, the most important thing is to make sure the connection will stay secure while it's going through the boot. So that's it. Keep an eye out for more videos like this one. Stay safe out there.